Hey, dance family, it's us again. It's the dance for me, coming to you from sunny St. Thomas in the Virgin Islands. Today we're doing the move request, and today's move request is what? The Salsa Social and the variants that come off the Salsa Social. So I'm gonna get the followers out and ready, get them back around onto their left foot, and when the left foot back, the moves begin. You turn them with the right arm, hold the left to put it in the hammer lock, and then we're going to a social from the Salsa Social. It's not necessary to social, but this is the proper Salsa Social. Now, there's a couple moves we can do from the Salsa Social. My favorite right here is the Houdini. Travel, turn them down the lane, come through the arm, spin the follower. That is the Houdini, my favorite move from the Salsa Social. Let me restart the follower again. And again, we will go ahead and social. And my next favorite move is called the Gentleman's Wrap. Again, I'm going to travel, turn them down the lane with a double hand. And I'm going to come through the arms like I did before, but this time I'm going to lift mine up and hook the follower's arms and place them behind me. And that's the Gentleman's Wrap. And again, we're going to do a few basics. And when I'm ready to release the follower, I will actually unload the left to kind of slightly prep and then bring it out and spin them with the right and then turn around and face the follower. Now, as I'm doing the Salsa Social, I don't really have to social that much, but it's just to show you that it actually is a social. So let me get ready. Get the follower set. We're going to social one more time afterwards, just because I want to give you a chance to see our positioning and how the arms are, how the follower's left arm is hammer locked. And I'm leading with the right. Travel, turn them down the lane, two hands, come through, bring it round, spin the follower, Houdini. I'm going to bring them back to the other side so you can see it from the other direction. Get them back on their left foot. Again, turn them, put them into the hammer lock. I'm going to walk with it for a bit so you can see it. And then again, I'm going to travel, turn them down the lane, two hands, around, through. Turn the follower, turn myself. That is the Houdini. Now, we're going to do a Salsa Social this time. And I'm going to immediately go into a two-handed travel turn. Two-handed high spin out with another two-handed travel turn. And so that really is usually how you do the Salsa Social moves. You immediately start the Salsa Social. You bring them out immediately. This time I did a half cuddle to a shoulder push. And those are like the Salsa Social moves. So now what I want to do for you is one of my favorite butterflies. Let me get the follower prepped and do a Salsa Social immediately, just into a two-handed turn just to get warmed up. But on this one, I'm going to go ahead and do the Salsa Social and come under the right arm and bring them to my side. We're going to do a side-to-side cha-cha or side ballroom as we get set up. And what we're going to do is do what they call back-to-back butterfly. Turn, 1, 2, 3, step, cross, 1, 2, out of room, other way, 1, 2, 3, step, cross, 1, 2, 3, out of room. I'm just going to let go to the left, spin them out. That is a short version of the Salsa Social into the back-to-back butterfly. Peace. See you in the next video.